Did you know that eating bread can help you lose weight? This is why you should check out these 5 types of healthy bread that you need to add to your diet plan. In today's video, I'll be unveiling the 5 types of healthy bread you must start eating. Make sure you watch this video till the end to get some of the amazing benefits of oatmeal and flax bread. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Now let's not keep you waiting. Number 1. Sprouted bread. Sprouted bread, also known as Ezekiel bread, is made from whole grains that are sprouted from exposure to heat and moisture. Sprout bread increases digestibility, helps the body to absorb minerals, and increases antioxidants and vitamin C. Research has shown that sprouting also increases grains' antioxidants while decreasing anti-nutrients contents in the body. This is why sprouted bread is a healthy bread choice. Number 2. Sourdough. Sourdough is a type of bread made through a fermentation process. The fermentation works with naturally occurring yeast and bacteria to make the bread rise. Because fermentation has to occur, it reduces the number of phytates and breaks down some of the carbohydrates and proteins in the grains. The level of vitamins and antioxidants in sourdough bread is greater than that of other bread types. Number 3. Whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread is one of the healthiest bread that you should eat. The cholesterol level in 100 grams of whole wheat bread is 0. That is, its cholesterol level is extremely low. Whole wheat bread can help to lose weight and reduce the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Number 4. Oat bread. Oatmeal bread or oat bread is a great source of fiber, magnesium, vitamin B1, thiamine, iron, and zinc. The fiber in oats helps to lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar, and decrease high blood pressure. Oatmeal bread is also rich in protein, which is necessary for muscle building or repair. Number 5. Flax bread. Flaxseed is probably one of the world's oldest crops around. It is known for its great nutritive values and health benefits. They are tiny brown seeds loaded with dietary fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Some of the benefits of flaxseed in flax bread include weight loss, regulation of high blood cholesterol levels, good heart health, and regulation of high blood pressure. If you really want to balance your diet plan, here are 5 types of healthy bread you must start eating. I hope this video has helped you to figure out the importance of having these bread in your diet plan. If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the benefits of the bread listed in this video, please tell us in the comment section.